Hello everyone, I'm here to meet one of our neighbors to have a test of our CarFACE prototype. I have here with me Mr. Aninda. Hello Mr. Aninda.
Hi.
Hi. So we have a small request. We have developed a prototype. So this is our CarFACE application which I have on my mobile. So I want you to just check this, to see how a claims process works. So all you have to do is upload a file. So I've already signed in to this. So you need to select a file. Let's say, for example, I have a couple of damaged vehicles images.
Okay. Let's select this.
Yeah, and you just submit. Yeah, so I think you've got your result. So this is your result.
That's pretty simple. So my claim has been approved. It's really impressive. I mean, claims take so much. It's such an hassle. You think it's really this simple? Because it's like getting an insurance. You go to the website and click and get it.
Yeah. So
if claims could be this easy, then it would really add value.
Yeah.
Impressive. That's impressive because it's correctly identified that the bumper and the bonnet needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
So that's good. I mean, good progress.
So
From the face of it looks really good, but if it's an actual product, then it would be really good.
So do you think there will be a positive feedback? People would appreciate such a product in the market?
Absolutely. I mean, we have to leverage this new technologies, and if it could be this simple, because it's really a pain point. If you ask me, if you have any incident on the road, any scratch, anything, it's so difficult for the hassle to go through because you have to book a slot and then someone comes and then checks your car. It takes a lot of time to get a claim processed. So if this really works, and I wish you all the best if you can come up with this.
So, thank you.